the best practices for the closing the communication gap. And that is gap number 4. Employing integrated services marketing communication strategies around everything and everyone that sends a message or a signal. Whether it is internal marketing, external marketing, interactive marketing. Even in interactive marketing, okay, whether it's a personal selling or in the internal marketing, vertical communications or horizontal communication, or external marketing, whether it's advertising, sales promotion, public relation, or direct marketing, all communications has to be same. If the organization integrated all the service marketing communication strategies around everything and everyone, that closes the communication gap, because people are aware about the communication policies and the procedures. The second way of closing the communication gap in the gap number 4 is you have to manage the customer expectations effectively throughout the experiences. Now look at the customer who comes to the amusement park. Assume that you are working as a store manager for the SL World. What is the customer expectations? Customer expectation is he will get food inside, he will get a proper luggage room inside, he will get a nice games inside, all the games works properly, and bills are not paid separately, one entrance fee, everything is fine. Say I pay 450 rupees to enter to the amusement park, and I'll get the breakfast there, I'll go to the water sports, I'll pay, there is no extra fee for that, and I also can have a lunch there, I come out with the snacks there. So one day's food and the service experience is taken care. It happens in some amusement parks, particularly like a Kolhapur Dream World. But when I went to the Vigaland in the Kerala, they have a separate charges, like Anotsav here in Rotary Club Anotsav in Belagavi. For one sport, there are separate charges. Second sport, there are separate charges. Third sport, there are separate charges. Only limited number of free services. So if customer felt that I paid huge money and I should get everything free. Thus, in the beginning only you have to tell, like in Anotsav they do, Rotary Club, sir, the going inside and seeing services is free. But you have to purchase meals on your own. Games you have to play on your own. So if I communicate in the beginning, or what free services customer can expect, what are the paid services, if it is told to them in the beginning, effectively using the external marketing communications, customer expectations will come down and have a better experiences. Customer satisfaction will be very high. The third way of closing the gap number 4 is one has to develop the mechanisms for the internal communication to avoid over-promising and ensure successful delivery. It happens in the education industry. Some teachers start over-promising. After a year, you will get 10 lakh rupees salary because last time Federal Bank has come. But is it possible for everyone to get the Federal Bank? No. What I'm doing, I'm telling that it is not possible all the time, all the years. I'm not over-promising. And I have to ensure the successful delivery. If I say I'll take case classes, and if I don't take a case classes, I have over-promised. And if I say I will be having a high technology, used in the classrooms to give effective communications. But if I don't use those high technologies in the classrooms, I have overpromised and the customer will be unhappy. So therefore, company has to tell clearly employees, please do not overpromises, which I cannot. Say, a customer, the employee can say to sell and get the commission. The color will not go. Okay, this is lifetime warranty. But it's not told by the employer. It is told by the employee to get the incentive by selling the product to the customer. At that time, employer has to tell the employee, you are over promising. It is not feasible from us. That's the internal communication. And also ensure that employees provide a successful delivery of the products. That means encounter has to be proper. The way the services has to be given is proper, and ensuring the customer satisfaction, not only satisfaction, delightment of the customer in the services is important. Therefore, you can see, though the State Bank of India loan disbursement process is stringent, but their communication is proper and standard across all the branches. Therefore, today State Bank of India is still, though the public sector bank, is the #1 bank in India. So this is how one can close the communication gap in the gap number 4.